In today's video, I will walk you through how to identify the best crypto coin on CoinMarketCap to trade. First, we are on CoinMarketCap. From here, click on Filters, then select Add Filter. Under the Market Cap filter, choose an asset with a market cap range of at least 50 million. Next, select an asset that has changed up to 2% within the last 1 hour. Then choose a market with a volume range of around 50 million within the last 1 hour. After applying these filters, the list will remove the assets that do not match the selected conditions. Now, to pick the coin to trade, look at the information displayed in the table. You can see the name of the coins, the price, the market cap, the volume in the last 24 hours, the 1-hour percentage increase, and the circulating supply. The next thing to do is sort the coins by the 1-hour change. Click on the 1-hour percentage change section to sort the results up and down based on the change within the last 1 hour. After sorting the results, look for the best asset to trade. The range to look for is between 1.5% and 2%. Check the coins that fall within this range, whether they are on the buying side or the selling side. The coin you select should have a 1-hour change between 1.5% and 2%. Once you find a coin that matches this range, that is the asset selected for trading. This is the process used to identify the crypto asset to trade on CoinMarketCap. First, apply the filters using the market cap, 1-hour percentage change, and 1-hour volume. Then, sort the results using the 1-hour change section and select the coin that falls within the 1.5% to 2% range. This completes the process of identifying the best crypto coin to trade using these filters on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.